Yo, check this out. That's literally me. All right, so the next logical step for you to follow right now that you just finished the quick start Unreal Engine for VFX Artist course is to actually write down the three coolest effects that you can find that are made using Unreal Engine. They can be found on ArtStation, YouTube, any platform really on the internet. And then I want you to like kind of understand why those are your top three and seeing if those are realistic, if those are stylized, and then trying to aim to take one of those two paths, right? That's the most logical thing to do, especially going into Unreal Engine, because a lot of Unreal Engine is kind of realistic based. A lot of people like kind of associates Unreal with realism, but Unreal also has a lot of potential to create cool stylized effects. And I don't mean like mobile games or Switch games, but actually, effects that are stylized in the sense that you wouldn't see those on real life. For example, like, I don't know, like a red lighting that's black on the center because light doesn't work that way. But you can get those ideas and transform those and make them look super amazing. And the next courses that you'll be able to check on the platform are going to be pretty advanced on some of the topics, but on the other hand, I want you to also be able to understand what I'm doing. And it's going to be pretty hard for me to find like a balance in which you'll feel comfortable seeing the course and then working with the homework and doing the exercises and practicing on your own. But I would suggest just take a walk across the platform and then see which course would make more sense to you, right? Maybe you wouldn't want to learn like motion vectors or how to make like flipbooks, I don't know, using Embergen at first, but you would want to learn how to create, I don't know, like a cool VFX explosion that's stylized in the looks of Genshin Impact, for example, right? So yeah, that's what I would suggest you do right now. Go ahead, check the courses on the platform, and let me know if you have any courses suggestions also that you might, not understand such advanced terms or such technical aspects of some course specifically, and you would like a more like a bridge towards those more advanced courses that we have. So yeah, just reach out and let me know. All right, see you around in the platform. Bye.